EMM Important Questions. Unit 1 Constitution of alloys and phase diagram. Types of solid solutions. Iron carbide equilibrium diagram. Classification of steel material. Okay, this மூணு வந்து ரொம்ப முக்கியமான ஒன்று. Types of solid solution, iron carbide diagram, classification of steel. Unit 2 heat treatment process, annealing process. Okay, so 5 plus or 3 8 annealing process or 5, another one or 3 process, 5 plus 3, so totally 8 process. Another one is CCT diagram and a triple T diagram, continuous cooling transformation, time temperature transformation diagram. So that is important one. Hot tempering and Mott tempering process. Okay, this is a heat treatment process. 22. Unit 3 ferrous and non-ferrous metals, effects of alloying elements in steel. Stainless steel, HSLA steel, Maharajing steel and tool steel is important one. And alloys of copper alloy, aluminum, copper precipitation strengthening. Okay, effect of alloying elements: stainless steel, HLA steel, Maharajing steel, tool steel. Alloys of copper and aluminum alloys, aluminum copper precipitation strengthening. Unit 4 non-metallic materials, thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. So ceramics of silicon carbide, alumina, silicon nitride, partial stabilized zirconia and sialones. Okay, is the important one for ceramics. So thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Unit 5 mechanical properties and deformation mechanism, tension, compression and shear test, Brinell, Rockwell and Vickers harness test, impact test of ISARD and Charpy. This okay, important topics of unit 5. Thank you.